Hi everybody, Michael McDermott. I'm going to share another thought from my book, Successfully Single, Building Better Relationships. And this is from chapter 3, Don't Stop Dreaming. And I just wanted to share with you that we all have dreams and hopes and things that we would like to accomplish in our lives. But there's not a better time to start than right now, today. The Bible says to redeem the time because the days are evil. So I just want to share with you a couple thoughts, maybe three, that will help you in the pursuit of making your dreams become a reality. First of all, you need to sit down and you need to clarify and draw out and put down on paper so that you can get a mental picture or visual of what your dream specifically is. And then secondly, you need to partner with people who will help you and encourage you and motivate and most importantly pray for you in the fulfillment of your dream and encourage you because as surely as you start and are encouraged when you start, there are things that can happen in life and discouraging things that can come and try to stop or steal and stop you from making forward progress. So you want to define what needs to happen. You need to align yourself with good relationships because the Bible says bad company will corrupt good morals or good thoughts or good attitudes or positive things. So you want to choose your associations wisely. And then thirdly, when the spirits of discouragement or the negative voices, the negativities come around to you, refer back to that first step, that clear definition of what that dream is and that pursuit and that purpose is in life. Motivate yourself by this fact that we are to redeem the time because the days around us are evil and the days are becoming shorter and shorter for us to do the things that we need to do. Jesus told his disciples that they needed to work while there was yet day because the night would come when no man could do anything. So this is Michael McDermott, and I've shared again from my book, Successfully Single, Building Better Relationships, and you can get this on my website, keepingitreal.michaelmcdermott.com. But write your dream down, choose your associations wisely, and then thirdly, refer back to that often. So I hope that you have a great day.